Well, boys and girls, we're back here at Cook's Place again with another fine kitchen. Yeah, that's right. This one was a fun day. All kinds of fun stuff, a little bit of creative involved. Yeah, but turned out pretty damn sweet. Yeah, refrigerator. Guess you'd call that a breakfast area, I guess. Bar area. Dishwasher. Sink base turned out real nice. Down there all the way to the floor. Looks like one piece. Over here. Yeah. Really nice cabinets. I think it's a shaker white. Go back here to the back. Back here to the master bathroom. It's been a day, sure enough. Here's the master bathroom. Missing a pantry. I guess it's on order, or it should be in a couple days, but yeah, that'll look pretty sweet once that's in there. It'll be complete. That's right. We like complete jobs. They look beautiful. In here, we got a pantry in here on this one. Walk on around here. Yep. Yep. Yep, you can put your towels, stuff like that. Yeah, if you got kids, they can hide in there from you. Yeah, well, we got a laundry. Let's go check out that laundry. Yeah, but yeah, sweet. This one's done, and guess what? We got another fine, happy customer. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. We aim to please. That's right, on Cook's Place, we aim to please. A little creative, get involved, rock and roll, and get her done. That's right. Yeah, laundry room. All right, like, share, subscribe, share with your whole family, and we'll see you again on the next one.